Welcome to a flavorful journey into the world of plant-based dinners, where lentils and spinach come together to create meals that are nourishing, satisfying, and bursting with taste. Tonight, your kitchen will become the stage for a vibrant culinary performance, and every ingredient will play its part in transforming a simple dinner into a spectacular feast. As you imagine the aroma of garlic sizzling in olive oil, the soft bubbling of lentils simmering to perfection, and the vibrant green of spinach folding gently into the dish, you realize that reading about it is only the beginning. The true magic happens when you see it, hear it, and experience it. That is why you must watch the full video on YouTube right now. Click play, join me in the kitchen, and cook along with me as we prepare these delicious plant-based meals together. Lentils are the humble heroes of plant-based cooking. They are inexpensive, packed with protein, rich in fiber, and incredibly versatile, combined with spinach, which delivers a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They form the ultimate duo for a healthy, satisfying dinner. But this recipe is more than just food. It is an experience. Imagine rinsing the lentils, feeling their tiny grains slip through your fingers as the water turns clear. You bring a pot of water to a boil, sprinkle in salt, and pour in the lentils. As they begin to cook, the earthy aroma fills the kitchen, a scent of comfort and tradition. While the lentils simmer, you chop onions, garlic, and fresh herbs. The skillet warms, the olive oil glistens, and as the garlic hits the pan, you hear the satisfying sizzle. This is the moment where cooking becomes magic, and as I show you every single step in the video, you can follow along with confidence, knowing exactly how your dish should look, sound, and feel. Don't just read about it, watch it happen right in front of you. Click now and see this lentil and spinach transformation unfold in real time. As the onions soften and turn golden, you stir in tomato paste and spices, smoked paprika for depth, cumin and coriander for warmth, and a pinch of cinnamon for an unexpected touch. The rich aroma makes your mouth water, but this description is nothing compared to seeing the vivid colors in the pan. That's why you need to click play and join me on YouTube. I'll guide you step by step, so you know exactly when to add each ingredient, how to achieve the perfect texture, and what to do if things don't go as planned. Maybe your lentils are too soft or your sauce too thin. Don't worry, I show you how to fix everything in real time. It's more than just a recipe. It's a cooking lesson that will make you feel empowered in the kitchen. Once the spinach is added, it wilts beautifully into the sauce, creating a stunning contrast of colors: deep green against the hearty lentils and rich tomato base. A splash of lemon juice brightens the entire dish, while chopped parsley adds freshness. When you see the steam rising from the pan in the video, you'll understand why this meal is so comforting and so satisfying. The sound of stirring, the final sprinkle of herbs, the plating of the dish, it all comes together in a way that words can't capture. That is why watching the video matters so much. You'll see the final texture, the perfect consistency of the sauce, and the plating ideas that make this dinner look as good as it tastes. Click now, watch it come to life, and let's cook together. Serving ideas are endless, and I show them all on my channel. Spoon the lentil-spinach mixture over fluffy rice, nutty quinoa, or even roasted sweet potatoes for a hearty, colorful meal. Drizzle with tahini sauce or vegan yogurt for creaminess, and finish with toasted nuts or seeds for crunch. Watching how each plate is assembled gives you the inspiration to create your own masterpiece at home. This is why video is so powerful. You get to see every technique, every garnish, and every finishing touch that turns a simple recipe into a stunning dish. Don't just imagine it. Click play, watch the full recipe, and make tonight's dinner unforgettable. Lentils and spinach are not just delicious, they are incredibly nutritious. Lentils provide plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium, while spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with antioxidants that support overall health. In the video, I explain why combining vitamin C-rich ingredients like lemon juice with spinach enhances iron absorption, making this dish not only tasty but also smart for your health. You'll see exactly how I prepare the lentils to reduce compounds that may cause bloating, and how I adjust the flavors to suit different dietary needs. These are tips that you can only fully appreciate by watching the tutorial, hearing my explanations, and seeing the process step by step. Variations are endless, and I share them all in the full video. For a Moroccan twist, add cumin, turmeric, cinnamon, and harissa for a warm, spicy flavor. For an Italian-style, stir in tomato sauce, oregano, olives, and fresh basil. If you love Indian flavors, transform this dish into a creamy dal with coconut milk, garam masala, mustard seeds, and fresh ginger. Mediterranean lovers can add roasted tomatoes, olives, and vegan feta for a sunny, coastal flavor. Every variation is beautifully filmed so you can see the colors, textures, and plating ideas that inspire you to experiment in your own kitchen. Don't wait, watch the video, see these variations in action, and cook along with me. Meal prep is a game changer, and in the video, I show exactly how to batch cook lentils, wash and store spinach, and freeze sauce portions for quick dinners throughout the week. You'll watch me pack them into containers, label them, and explain how to reheat them without losing flavor or texture. These practical tips save time and make healthy eating easy, but the best way to learn is to see it. So click now, watch the video, and discover how to make your life simpler and tastier. The true beauty of this dish lies in its taste and texture. The lentils are tender, yet slightly firm, giving a satisfying bite. The spinach is soft, fresh, and vibrant. The sauce is thick, savory, and infused with spices, while a hint of lemon cuts through with brightness. But no matter how well I describe it, you'll never fully appreciate it until you see it with your own eyes. Watching the steam rise, hearing the simmer, and feeling part of the cooking process is what makes this experience special. That's why I invite you right now to click play, watch the video, and cook along with me. By watching, you'll gain more than just a recipe, you'll gain confidence in the kitchen, you'll see every step clearly, hear helpful tips in real time, and learn tricks that aren't obvious in written recipes. I share how to adjust flavors, fix common mistakes, and repurpose leftovers into exciting new meals. It's like having a cooking class in your own home. And at the end of the video, I invite you to share your thoughts, post your favorite variations, and connect with our growing community of plant-based food lovers. Join the discussion, leave a comment, and subscribe so you never miss another delicious recipe. If you're ready to transform your dinners, experience mouth-watering plant-based recipes, and enjoy the process of cooking like never before, then the time to act is now. Click play, watch the video, and join me in creating this incredible lentil and spinach dish. You'll see every technique, every tip, and every beautiful detail that makes cooking joyful and effortless. Don't wait, watch now. Subscribe for more recipes, and let's cook together tonight.